Drop it like it's hot.
Coming in hot.
Drop it like it's hot. Cause I got it going on.
Hey guys, did you know that if you eat clean and exercise regularly and get good sleep every day and drink lots of water that you're still gonna die?
I was up in the club with my homies, tryna get a little VI, keep it down on the low key. You should know how it feels. Conversation got heavy. She had me feeling like she's ready to blow. Watch out, oh. She's saying come get me. So I got up and followed her to.
Don't be shy. Put some more. Put some more. Don't be shy. Put some more.
Don't be shy, put some more.
Don't be shy. Put some more.
Ramen crazy, noodle wavy, big bold, delicious taste.
What you doing?
What you doing?
Where you at?
Where you at?
Oh, you got plans?
You got plans?
Don't say that.
Church hotel.
I'm sleeping wine.
Ship.
In a row.
드립
I look too good.
루트고.
To be alone.
우후.
My house clean.
House clean.
My pool warm.
Pool warm.
Just shave.
Smooth like a newborn. We should be dancing, romancing in the east wing and the west wing of this mansion. What's happening?
I am playing no games.
Set the table, give me one of them drumlets, drop it in the bowl. If it ain't brown, that shit ain't done. Gonna put it out, show 'em how it's done. Yeah. Ooh, now that's some crispy chicken. Yum dilly yum yum yum.
My husband asked for a quesadilla, so I made it for him, and I cut my finger, and I asked him for permission to put a Band-Aid on it, and he said absolutely not, a real woman can handle the pain. So I made it, and then I...
How hot can you handle? Country, mild, medium, hot, bangin', and sheesh.